color temperature is a personal preference, but the way that Mitch and Mark approached it is, I think, the best way. They chose to use smart lighting. So no matter what task you're doing, you could select the color temperature that works for that task. In the middle of the day, it might be a very bright white, and in the afternoon, towards sunset, you get a much warmer light. You can have your lights mimic that. If you want a nice relaxing space, you can bring the lights down nice and warm. If you're working on a task, you can bring those lights up to a cool white so that you're focused. So with smart lighting, you don't really have to choose, and I think that's the best option.